How do you order iced coffee in Korean? 1 drinks, 3 Politeness level. Most learners chose the safe but textbook-sounding option. Let's fix that in 10 minutes. Same iced Americano, 3 ways to ask, depending on where you are and who listening. I will slow every one of them down so you can copy them exactly. Hi! If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm not a native Korean speaker. I have lived in Seoul for around 5 years and learned Korean the hard way. So if you already know some Korean but still sounds like a textbook, you're in the right place. Let's fix that. Level 1. The standard polite order that works almost everywhere. Iced Americano 한 잔 주세요. Once iced Americano, please. Iced Americano 한 잔 주세요. This is what textbook love to teach, and that's fine. You won't sound wrong. You will just sound a bit more careful and formal. Level 2. What regular as café actually says? 한 잔이요. is a short form for iced Americano for punctuation and you instantly sound more local. 한 잔이요. 한 잔이요. These still have your, so it's polite, just shorter and more natural. Level 3. With friends, no counter, no formalities. 마실래? Want iced Americano? No, yo. Casual only. Use this in message or with close friends. Rules of thumb. With a stranger behind a counter, use level 1 or level 2. Both are polite because they have yo. With friends, level 3. When in doubt, just add your extra politeness. Never hurt anyone. What? If you want it hot? Korean love coffee slangs too. Hot Americano is 뜨아. 뜨거운 Americano. 뜨아. So you can say 뜨아 한 잔이요. If you forget the slang, iced Americano are still totally fine. Slang is a bonus, not a rule. Need a bigger size? 큰 거도 주세요. 큰 거도 주세요. The large ones, please. This works for almost anything on the menu. So it is a super reusable phrase. You will use 큰 거도 주세요 for coffee, drinks, even side dish. One structure, many situation. No syrup? 시럽 빼주세요. Better mean take out. You can use 빼주세요 for onions, ice, anything you don't want in your order. Think of 빼주세요 as your without button. 얼음 빼주세요. 양파 빼주세요. 시럽 빼주세요. Now, let's do a full order at will speak. 주문 도와드릴까요? 한 잔요. 드시고 가세요. 포장이요. 시럽 빼주세요. 결제 어떻게 도와드릴까요? 카드로 할게요. You just did a whole cafe transaction in Korean. I will slow it down once so you can shadow it with me out loud, lost in your head. 한 잔요. 포장이에요. 시럽 빼주세요. 시럽 빼주세요. Once more time at your own pace. Now, full speak, imagine you're at counter tomorrow, say it with me, even if you're in your room right now. Tell me in the comments what you order in Korean.